In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable templates to streamline your projects and boost your productivity. Airtable is a versatile platform that allows you to organize just about anything in a flexible and user-friendly format. Whether you are new to Airtable or looking to maximize its potential, using templates can save you time and set you up for success without starting from scratch. To begin, once you have Airtable open on your workspace, take a glance at the left sidebar. This is your command central, where you'll find all the essential features to keep your projects organized. Look for the section labeled Templates and Apps. This is where the magic happens. By clicking here, you're opening up a world of ready-made project frameworks just a click away. After you click on Templates and Apps, you'll be greeted with a variety of template options. These range from project management and marketing to content calendars and event planning, among others. The key here is to browse through the categories and find a template that aligns with your project needs. Don't be afraid to explore. This is all about finding the perfect fit for what you're aiming to achieve. Once you've identified a template that seems right for you, the next step is to click on Try this template. This might feel like a commitment, but don't worry, you're still free to adjust and customize. This action will copy the template into your workspace, allowing you to make it your own. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through setting up the template with your specific information. Be sure to read them carefully, as they often include helpful tips on how to customize the template to better serve your unique requirements. Whether it's adding new fields, renaming existing ones, or reshuffling the layout to match your workflow, these prompts will help ensure your new template is perfectly tailored to suit your needs. Throughout this process, keep in mind that templates are just a starting point. Don't feel confined by the structure. They are meant to be flexible and adaptable. For example, if your project requires more columns or a different view, Airtable makes it easy to adjust. Remember, the goal is to simplify your process, not limit it. In summary, utilizing Airtable templates is a fantastic way to jumpstart your project organization, while still allowing for full customization to fit your personal or business needs. By starting with a structured template, you save valuable time that you can now allocate to focusing on the details that truly matter. And that's it. You're now ready to dive into Airtable templates and make them work for you. If you have any questions or new ideas on how to further customize your templates, feel free to share them. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.